Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nagarjuna Maturu. I am a consultant in pulmonary medicine at Yashoda Hospitals, High-Tech City. So dear friends, as most of us are aware that now we are going through epidemic of respiratory viral infections everywhere in our cities and the state in together. So what can we do to protect ourselves from these viruses which are spreading so fast? So I think the first and foremost is to wear a mask. I think in COVID everybody used to wear a mask, but as COVID has decreased, people have stopped wearing masks when they go out. I think time has come when people should again wear face mask. Face mask will protect us to some extent from these so-called viral infections and the flu which is there everywhere now. Second important thing I would say is to avoid public gatherings or functions to the best possible. Especially people who have other diseases like asthma, COPD, kidney issue, heart issue, diabetes, they should try to avoid public gatherings as much as possible. Third is early diagnosis. So if at all anybody gets the symptoms of flu, so what are the symptoms of flu? High fever, running nose, cold, cough, dry or wet cough, and breathlessness. So if these symptoms are there, I think you should immediately meet a doctor and get yourself checked for flu. Early diagnosis is important because if you start treatment early, the outcomes are much better. It is said that in influenza, if you start the correct treatment, the antivirals, in the first 2 to 3 days, then you can become better faster and you will not need, most likely may not need to get admitted. If you can see now, all the hospitals are full with these high fevers and cold and cough only. So if you can meet a doctor early, get the diagnosis early, then you will become better early. So the things I would say are always wear a mask when going outside. Best possible, try to avoid going to public places, get an early diagnosis, get an early treatment. Plus the other thing is vaccination. So now we have vaccines for flu. We do not have vaccines for every infection, but we have vaccines for flu. So all people who are at risk for severe infection should get a flu shot as soon as possible. Thank you.